Hi everybody, I'm Stan Zaslavsky from Eagle Vision Property here with Peter Motalli, and we're talking about property development sites and buying them with permits. Currently we've gone through all the processes, we've got the consultants appointed, now we're nearly ready to start. So what happens at this last stage just prior to turning soil?
Well, which is a lot of preparation. It's gone through it as far as getting the right feasibility to workable in the project, which is the most important part in any project.
Yep.
Making sure and ensuring that you are going to make a profit. Okay, so meaning the plans, the marketability of your product, your apartments that you're selling, the realistic prices, your construction costs, everything like that needs to be pretty refined. Yep. Before you go into this phase. So now it's a matter of executing the process and managing the whole process of getting the project off the ground, which is turning soil and managing it through to completion and
Yep.
settlement of the apartments.
Yep.
So one of the stages we touched on last time was your project marketing, appointing the right team. It's important to appoint the right real estate agents. Absolutely. And project marketing team for the project with realistic prices. No point putting a product to market which is over what the market's prepared to pay for it. You're just wasting your time. So there's no point doing that. If it's not going to sell, you'll just be putting on the market, wasting time, wasting money, and the product's not going to sell. So you've got to be right out there in the market that you want to have it sold. Yep. If you've got your point that you want to have sold in 3 months, 6 months you've allowed for, to have 50% sold or 70% sold, whatever it may be, you really want to achieve that. Yep. So appointing the right project marketing team and having the realistic prices, which you should have done in your feasibility. Yep. And executing it.
Sure. And so now what actually happens then? So which consultants come into play once you've got your pre-sales?
Well, you're pretty much on the way on getting your documentation, which you've already prepared, have your consultants appointed, ready for tender to appoint your builder. Yep. So you'll be appointing your builder, he'll put in his fee proposal based on the documentation you've prepared, you'll have your pre-sales in place, yep. And you'll be going to or finalising your deal with your finance group or whoever you're working with to say, well, this is what we've achieved, these are the construction costs, these are our feasibilities, these are our pre-sales, and away you go to actually sign contracts and turn soil as you discussed.
And start going. Excellent. All right. And is there anything else really to look after, or is that pretty much on the go?
Well, it's pretty much on the go, and then it's an important part of it now is managing the process, managing your consultants. Obviously, during your construction phase, there will be variations or issues that will come up which need to be sorted out ASAP, and having the right consultants on board to give you the right advice. Sure. If it's an engineering issue, if it's a structural issue, if it's a design issue, whatever it may be, you have your consultant with you to address that and to have it sorted out so you can proceed.
Yeah. Which is why you have contingencies.
Correct.
In the feasibility
Correct.
stage.
That's right.
Yeah, that will work. Excellent. Look, that's pretty much it for this series of videos. Thank you for joining us and look forward to seeing you again next time.